Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect AirPods to PC. And basically, it is only simple to start connecting your AirPods to your PC. So the first thing that you need to do is simply open your settings on your PC or your Windows in here. And after that, just simply go to the left side panel and it will show you a variety of options to choose from. So kindly proceed by clicking the Bluetooth and devices option. By doing so, it will show you in here a variety of options to choose from where you can add a devices by clicking add a device button. But firstly, we need to turn on our Bluetooth devices in here. Since in order to start connecting your AirPods to your PC, make sure to turn on the Bluetooth, as all AirPods are also supported by Bluetooth connectivity. And below it will show us some other devices. But to proceed, the first thing that we need to do is simply open our AirPods in here, in which we have here a variety of kind of AirPods depending on the generation. We have here AirPods 4, AirPods Pro 2, and many more. So basically, depending on the kind of AirPods you have here, all you need to do is simply open it in order to turn on this Bluetooth connectivity. Or alternatively, you can go to the back of it and simply click this button right here, which is located this one, to set up and start connecting to our PC. And once this color light green has been pop up, it means that we can now start connecting it to our PC Bluetooth. So again, make sure to turn on the PC Bluetooth and also click the button or the setup button on the back of your AirPods, which is look like this. And once done, you can now go to your settings, and upon scanning, you should be able to see here that you have now here this AirPods Pro that has been already detected by our Bluetooth. Or alternatively, you can go to this add devices and make sure to choose here the Bluetooth device. So as you can see, I've now successfully connect my AirPods in here. But to do it manually, you can click add the device button and fill out the required information to start successfully connecting your own device of your AirPods in here. And from here, you can even change or start adjusting the sound, the haptics, the bass, and many more. But overall, that is just basically how you can connect AirPods to PC.